We know that some Disney Pixar cars characters are extremely rare and hard to get hold of, some of which aren't even any videos made of them on YouTube. And basically I wanted to upload one which is extremely rare and I don't think it has ever even been shown on YouTube. We all know that the Disney Store Ferrari is pretty much a UK exclusive. I am lucky enough to live in the UK, so I got this when it was first released, so he's not too rare in the UK. But in other countries like the USA, Europe, he is extremely rare. Same as the Mood Springs Tractor, some of the other cars as well. But a car that you just saw in the corner of your frame, I will be taking a closer look at shortly in this video. So stay tuned and let's start off this review. We're all aware of the classic three, the Ferrari F430, aka Michael Schumacher, Antonio Volante Esselente, and Consiglio della Corsa, the three classic ones that were seen in the movie at the end when they are entering Luigi's Casa delle Tires. We're all aware of those three, but are you aware of the Lenticular? And here are the three lenticular variations of those three characters. We have the Ferrari again, Antonio, and of course Consenza. Well, these two were released as singles, and Consenza was a exclusive to that 3-pack, a pretty nice release, but we're not talking about him today. We are talking about the Lenticular Ferrari. Why are we talking about the Lenticular Ferrari, you may ask? Well, he's not a very special diecast. He was released twice, I believe, in the Lenticular with a special packaging. If I do find an image, it will be in the middle of your screen right now. But, yep, it looks pretty cool. I mean, he's not a very special diecast, like I said. He's the Ferrari F430 model. Of course, on the back it says E Ferrari, like it does on all. But that is not the only thing that's special about this car, because I do have, scooch out the way, a factory custom silver Ferrari. Turn on the torch and get on with this review, and hopefully not to reveal my face to you guys. But yeah, here he is, again, a normal Ferrari logo. I'm not exactly sure if that's supposed to be on there, but it is, so I'm leaving it on there for now until I get more information. He's got the usual two expressions, one to the left and the other to the right. I'm not sure which one is my favourite. Maybe my left expression is more better. On the side, he's got these nice chrome. This whole thing is chrome. Sadly, the mirror is slightly damaged, but you know, this is an extremely rare factory custom. On the back, he has no license plate because you know that it is a factory custom. But on the back, it does say Ferrari because of the engine on the inside there. Still the yellow treads on the wheels. Of course, factory customs back in the day did have base codes, as my torch does turn off. We could read that it says 2710EAA, so this was an unofficial release used back in the day to make this factory custom, which makes it even rarer. So yeah, that is the review on the factory custom. I'm not exactly sure on the value, but in a few seconds I will bring out another chrome one I do have. Get 14 world champions, 15 world champions, or 13 world champions. That is the comment I'm going to ask you, or the question I'm going to ask you, that you need to leave in the comment section below. We all know the debate with Lewis Hamilton going on, but it's funny how I've got the two F1 world champions as chrome editions. It would be cool if I had a Fernando Alonso one, but here's the Lewis Hamilton. Here's a quick view. Oh look, face reveal, you saw a bit of my face there. But yeah, it's the only bit of my face you're going to get. Comment below which one is your favourite as well. Here he is next to the regular Lenticular Ferrari. They just look absolutely cool. Screenshot worthy, of course, like normal. And of course I got one more card to show against the chrome version, and we all know which one that is. Of course, I cannot forget to show the Disney Store 1:3 scale, which looks absolutely massive compared to the, well, not the regular, but you know what I mean. Sadly, the mirrors are broken, but that does happen quite often to Disney Store cars. I don't know which one looks better, you know. They're both just as rare. Maybe this one's more rarer. It just looks absolutely cool. If you want to see any more reviews on cars that you know I have, which nobody else has made videos on, like Disney Store stuff, Tommy Car, any of that stuff, then make sure to leave that comments in the below, in the comment section below. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, my first video back in months, in ages. This was well worth a review. But anyways, until the very next video, which should be whenever you guys want to see a video. Peace, everybody.